Hey guys, today is a very important day as well as a happy day for CSK team because of you people itself. Yes, so finally, after almost 11 months, next month 12th, it's gonna be 1 year that CSK vlogs has started. So, for monetization, as you people might be knowing, some might be knowing, and some might not be knowing about this, 1000 subscribers mandatory and 4000 hours is very mandatory for monetization. So 1000 subscribers, I gained it like last 2 months back itself, but 4000 hours, it's a very big task for almost all the vloggers, especially for a new vloggers like me, coming up with a new face and standing in front of audience explaining anything. It might be about food or it might be about traveling, anything, etc, etc. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today is like a very good day for me, and yes, 4000 hours. Finally, somehow with great difficulty, I finished it out. So today I'm gonna be applying for monetization. I almost thought like I'm gonna be finishing monetization very soon, but 4000 hours, it became a very big task for me. I was really very scared 20 days back also because almost like 300 hours were pending for me, but with somehow great difficulty I finished this 300 hours, got finally monetization to apply today. I want to show you each and everything. Let's go, let me show you people also. So here is monetization page. 4089 public hours and 1140 subscribers. Apply now. Review partners, program terms. Okay, start. So there are some terms and conditions. I accept the terms and conditions for this and accepted term. Next, step up to the Google AdSense. So this I need to get started. Okay, it is showing, do you have any existing AdSense account? Select. Yes, I do have existing AdSense account of Google. My internet is really very slow, so here it is. Next, get more out of AdSense. Yes, send me a customized help and okay, performance. Yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. Yes, I have given that, and select your country as well as territory. Okay, let me give it as India. I. Okay, here is India. So again I have received some terms and conditions. Yes, I have read and accept the agreement. It is taking me to AdSense page. Yes, get started. This and all some personal details. Submit. Redirecting you to host. Redirect. Step 1 is done as well as step 2 is in process. Now step 3 not started yet. Finally, I applied for monetization. As you people saw, I gave some personal details and all, like house address and phone number, everything. So it's done. It will take some days because watch hours and subscribers, like there are some website that which will sell watch hours as well as subscribers. So that is like computerized and robotic watch hours. So for that reason, YouTube is gonna be cross checking each and everything, that whether subscribers and watch hours are genuine or not. So after that, YouTube is gonna be giving a monetization to the channel. One is also done, like that is reviewing partner program team, and step 2 is sign up to Google AdSense, that is in process, and third one is get reviewed. Okay, that is gonna be upcoming in some days. Why these formalities are there with YouTube? Because as I told you, there are like many websites. So now when they are reviewing, they are gonna be checking out that how many views I have got in which video and what is the watch time for each and every video that I have received. For example, I have applied some video. For that video, how many views will I get? and what is the watch time, how much is the average duration of that video, how many minutes you are gonna be viewing, so that many minutes it's gonna be getting added, things and all they will check and get back to us. Anyhow, we'll wait for another 1 week, maybe not even 1 week, some 3 to 4 days it might take, but very badly waiting for this, and I wanted to show you this to my subscribers as well as viewers. Anyhow guys, I need to be very thankful to you people. Because of you people, CSK Vlogs has come up to this level. Thanks for everything, and yes, keep supporting as you people are supporting me today, and please do subscribe my channel. There is a lot more to come in some more days. Monetization is being reviewed, then again we'll catch you up in the next vlog. I'm gonna be doing one more vlog on this once it's reviewed. And especially I would like to thank 2 to 3 people in CSK Vlogs team who is supporting me from quite long period of time, from the time I have started my channel. There is Parthipriya, and next is Farzana, and next is Muthu Lakshmi, and as well as this Bradman. All time he was there with me for everything. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Definitely in upcoming vlogs I'm gonna be introducing my entire team to you people. Anyhow, catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.